Houjik thokliba irang asiga mari leinana police tagi lakkhiba nongmei sing loukhatnaba ngasi combing operation chathakre ngasi district manga da chathakiba combing operation da nongmei amadi bom yaona khutshu-khutlai khara phagatpa ngamle haina Manipur lengaki Security Advisor Kuldip Singh na phongdokkhre iram asigi matangda ngasi chief minister gi darbar hall da pangthokpa pawgi mifam amada wafam asi phongdokladuna Kuldip Singh na hai police tagi lakkiba nongmei sing surrender taunanaba Chief Minister na numit kharani gi mamang da appeal tawba laikre aduma pula kiwa nongmei sing mapung fana recover tawba ngamdabadagi tangai fadana ngasi dagi combing operation asi sathab hobani lakiba nongmei sing mapung fana recover tawdriba fawba combing operation asi leptana satakigani state amasung central force ki apunba team na ngasi dagi hoduna Imphal East, Imphal West, Sursanpur, Thawbal amadi Kaksing district ki vulnerable areas singda combing operation sataki Imphal East District ki manung chanba Shinam Kulda chathakiba operation amada AK rifle ama 5.56 mm ge live round kun 303 rifle ama SMC carbine ani LMG gi ahangba magazine ama bulletproof vest manga khaki masu gi furit manga amadi khongro ama fagat pangomki amaromda Sursanpur District ki manung chanba Zalenkot Khul da chathakiba operation aduda 51 mm mortar launcher ama SMC carbine ama country made pistol mari amadi improvised pipe gun amasung gunpowder sing fagat pangomki loinana Thobal District ki manung channa leiba Yaripok ki Guarok sing da chathakiba operation da registration number ED 6370 oiba rifle ama magazine nipan amadi hand grenade ama recover tawbungamki ngasigi operation aduda Sursanpur Imphal East amasung Thobal District tagi punna nongmei 13 nongmei maru kun gunpowder kg ama 51 mm gi mortar shell ama hand grenade ama improvised pipe gun tara amadi radio set ani fagat pangomki megitang ahum dagi thorakiba irang asida punna nongmei lising manga Shatru Humfumapan Police tagi laki aduma pu mawangtha September gi tang kuntra fawda lakiba nongmei lising amaga shahum nimfuga mari recover tawngangkhre masigi manungda afaba makal gi khulai lising amaga shani nimfumapan yauri housing recover tawngamdana leiriba nongmei sing phongnabagi damak makhatana combing operation chathakigani maramti misham myam gi khutta nongmei paiba haiba sikunai asigi oina afaba nate haina Kuldip Singh na makhatana phongdokkhre
As you are very well aware that Honorable Chief Minister had given an appeal and request to everyone approximately 15 days back to surrender the looted weapons, and we got also a lot of weapons in earlier request as well as request which has been made now. But after that, now from today onwards, we have started combing operations, and this combing operations will go on till all the looted weapons have been recovered, because you know that number of weapons which have been looted from different armories, from police, are of large number, and such huge number of sophisticated weapons remaining with the general public is not a good idea for a society, because these will land into the hands of the miscreants and they will definitely make misuse of it, and which will go against the society. So today, combing operation was carried on at different places, which I will mention to you. As and when we get intelligence, we will keep on doing it, involving all the security forces, local police, magistrates and everyone.